Yeah. City lights. Midnight driving through the city glow. Windows down, let the feeling flow. Street lights dancing on your skin. Every mile pulling us deeper in. Leather seats, bass moving slow. Radio playing something low. From the corner block to skyline view. Same rhythm riding me and you. No rush, no destination. Just vibes and elevation. If tomorrow feel too far, tonight exactly where we are. Midnight drive with the Afrobeat. Slow wine moving in the passenger seat. City sleeping but we wide awake. Midnight drive, no mistake. Midnight drive, let it play. Same song looping anyway. When the bassline hit that tone. Midnight drive, we gon' oh, ride it slow. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, ride it slow. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, ride it slow. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, city lights, Afrobeat all night. Dashboard glowing hard on cruise. Every breath feeling brand new. No crowd noise, just the sound. Bassline holding us down. From Lagos Roads to LA lanes. London nights, Tokyo rain. Different cities, same control. It's rhythm riding in my soul. No words, just motion. Deep like the ocean. If the night don't wanna end, let the DJ spin again. Midnight drive with the Afrobeat. Slow wine moving in the passenger seat. City sleeping but we wide awake. Midnight drive, no mistake. Midnight drive, let it play. Same song looping anyway. When the bassline hit that tone. Midnight drive, we gon' oh, 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 it's slow. 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 Yeah. Africa speaking through the night. Also wrapped in neon light. This sound don't need no crowd. It hit the deepest when it loud. Every mile erase the stress. Every beat say you bless. If you're lost, don't be afraid. This rhythm guide the way. Engine hum, heartbeat match. City blur, moments catch. No past, no future zone. Just a night in Afro tone. Midnight drive it up. Feel the bass inside your chest. From the city to the sky. Midnight drive worldwide. Different roads, same vibe. When the rhythm take control. Midnight drive, yeah. Midnight drive, yeah. Midnight drive, yeah. Midnight drive, Afrobeat all night, yeah. Island vibe. Afro rhythm. Palm trees dancing with the breeze. Salt in the air, mind at ease. Sunlight dripping on your skin. This the kind of day you never wanna end. Flip-flops, cold drink sound. Laugh too loud, toes in the sand. No clock ticking in my head. We moving out the ocean set. No shoes, no worries now. Just good times we allow. If the stress try pull you back, let the drum erase all that. Island Afro rhythm, move it slow. Let your body ride the flow. From the shoreline to the system. Island Afro rhythm, Island Afro rhythm. Feels so right, dancing from the day to night. When the sun kisses the horizon, feel the breeze, move with ease, drum talk soft. Island vibe don't cause. Golden hour painting the sky. Every color passing by. Brown skin glowing naturally. This life feel like a memory. From Africa to island sand. Same rhythm, different land. No matter where the plane may go, this groove already know. No rush, we in our zone. Every beat feel like home. If tomorrow bring the rain, tonight sunshine in the brain. Island Afro rhythm, move it slow. Let your body ride the flow, from the shoreline to the system. Island Afro rhythm, island Afro rhythm. Feels so right, dancing from the day to night, when the sun kissed the horizon. Move it easy, drum talk so, island vibe don't cross. Move it easy, drum talk so, island vibe don't cross. Africa in the ocean sound, heartbeat where the waves go round. This music travel with the wind, everywhere the drum begin. If you're lost inside your mind, let this rhythm realign. Paradise ain't just a place, it's a feeling in the bass. Slow steps, fading light, sky turn purple, golden white. Hold the vibe, breathe it in, island night about to begin. Island Afro rhythm, one more time. Feel the sunshine in your spine, from the beach to every system. Island Afro rhythm, island Afro rhythm. Worldwide, different sea, same tide, when the drum and waves align. All along, I read up. All along, Afro rhythm.
No light,
Shadow move, oh. Shadow move, oh. City breathing in the dark, neon signs, quiet hearts. Every face got something hit, every smile something slip. Slow steps on the concrete floor, bass knock like a warning call. Eyes sharp, energy calm, nighttime inside my palm. No noise, just intention. Every thought's no mention. If the truth too hard to say, let the rhythm lead the way. Shadow move when the lights go low. Afrobeat in a darker tone. No face but the vibe stay true. Shadow move,
shadow move, feel it deep. Slow grind, don't even speak when the bassline touch your soul. Shadow move,
low, move silent. Drum talk, no violence. Deep way, slow ride. Shadow on my side. Raindrops on the window frame. Same street, different game. Trusting like city, yeah. Only rhythm really there. From backstreet to main stage glow. Same code everywhere we go. Eyes open, mouth closed tight. We survive by the night. No love for illusion, only real conclusions. If tomorrow feel unsure, tonight's sound keep me pure. Shadow move when the lights go low. Afrobeat in a darker tone. No face but the vibe stay true. Shadow move,
shadow move, feel it deep. Slow grind, don't even speak when the bassline touch your soul. Shadow move,
Afrobeat bass.
spin no tribal percussion, drugs and textures, yeah. Echo guitar steps, like a girl talking through the drums. Ancient pose, where we from? The sound don't beg for light, it shine best in the night.
Every scar, every wind, written deep under the skin. If you know, then you know. This rhythm speaking code.
Heartbeat, bass align, lost sense of space and time. One step, shadow slide, darkness dancing by my side.
Shadow move worldwide, different city, same night. When the rhythm take control. Shadow move,
shadow move, feel the way. Slow fire, heavy faith, till when the drum hit that low tone. Shadow move,
shadow, 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 shadow.
yeah. Shadow,
Shadow.
City glowing like a screen, neon dreams, digital scenes. Heartbeat sinking with the bass, future written on my face. Signals moving through the night, every step feel amplified. No past rules, no delay. Tomorrow calling me today. No limit, no frame. New code, same flame. If the world moving fast, let the rhythm last. Neon pulse, feel it rise. Afrobeat in cyber skies. From the street to satellite. Neon pulse, tonight. Neon pulse, overload. Future sound in my soul. When the bassline synchronize. Neon pulse, pulse, activate. Drum code, elevate. Light flash, skin glow. Future afro. From Lagos grid to London core, same frequency we on before. Brooklyn nights, Tokyo sun, different zones but we one. Ancient drum, modern skin, past and future intertwined. This sound don't age or fade, it just upgrade. No fear, no doubt, this wave breaking out. If the system tries shut down, we reboot the sound. Neon pulse, feel it rise. Afrobeat in cyber skies. From the street to satellite. Neon pulse, tonight. Neon pulse, overload. Future sound in my soul. When the bassline synchronize. Neon pulse. Clean futuristic Afrobeat bass. Digital percussion textures aloft for Jadison lines. Africa coded in the beat. Ancient rhythm, future heat. This sound travels space and time. Still hit deep, still aligned. No border, no control. One frequency for every soul. If you feel it, you connected. Already selected. Lights dim, system slow. Heartbeat under neon glow. One breath before the drop. Future about to pop. Neon pulse, worldwide, different cities, same design. When the rhythm rewrite time. Neon pulse, neon pulse, let it play. Tomorrow dancing in today. When the future meet the drum. Neon pulse, yeah. Future, Afrobeat. Got my body alert. City lights dancing on your skin. Pull me close, I'll let the night begin. Your eyes, tell me no rush now. Move slow, let me show you how. I'm up the piano running through my veins. Every step driving me insane. Hold me steady, feel that heat. Heartbeat talking to the beat. Every second feels so right. Lost with you inside the night. Is that slow fire on my waist? Burning sweet, never in haste. Every move I flew your trace. It's slow fire on my waist. Let's
talking deep and low, matching how our bodies flow. Your breath close, I lose control. Tonight you touch my soul. Your voice soft like midnight rain, washing off my stress and pain. Air we sway, pulling me in. This kind of love should be a sin. Take me deeper, don't let go. Let the rhythm guide us slow. Skin to skin, no need to call. Get the music, make us lose that slow fire on my waist. Burning sweet, never in haste. Every move I feel your trace. Slow fire on my waist. Slow fire. Slow fire. Take your time, don't waste. That slow fire on my way. Slow fire. Ooh, slow. Stay right here. Don't break the pace. Slow fire on my waist. Your body no money. Oh, no, 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 no. Aye. The way you move don't need no sound. Your rhythm lift me off the ground. Every step pulling me in. Your energy loud and clear. City heat mixed with your touch. I didn't plan to want you this much. I'm a piano running slow. Every beat saying don't let go. Don't speak, I feel you loud. Your silence moving through the crowd. Every breath calling my name, lighting up a quiet flame.
Cause your body knows my name, even when we don't say a thing. Every move plays the same game, pulling me deeper in your flame. Your body knows, your body knows, your body knows. Every time we sway the same, your body knows my name. Yeah, love drum knocking deep and low, matching how our feelings grow. Your hands talking on my waist, slow motion, perfect pace.
Your eyes say stay right here, like nothing else outside is real. Every sway breaking my guard, loving you ain't even hard. Take it slow, don't rush the night. Let the dark feel warm and light, skin to skin. No disguise, read my soul in your eyes.
Cause your body knows my name, even when we don't say a thing. Every move plays the same game, pulling me deeper in your flame. Your body knows, your body knows, your body knows. Every time we sway the same, your body knows my name. of the world. City never sleep when the bass come alive. Neon lights reflecting your eyes. From the block to the penthouse view, same rhythm make me move with you, dear. DJ spin that African song, heartbeat match when the drum go pound. Every corner of the globe tonight, we connected by the vibe. No passport, no borderline, just your body moving with mine. If you feel it, don't fight it now, let the rhythm show you how. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, feel the fire running through your body. From LA nights to London streets, we don't stop when the rhythm speaks. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, hands up high, feel the frequency. One sound, one love, one destiny. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, yeah. Summer breeze with the ocean sound. Slow wine, let your waist go round. Gold chain, shining skin tone glow. Every move say you already know. No rush, we got all night long. Every step turn into a song. From rooftop parties to beachside fling. Same beat, different name. No stress, leave it all behind. This moment frozen in time. If the night don't wanna end, let it spin again and again. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, feel the fire running through your body. From LA nights to London streets, we don't stop when the rhythm speaks. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, hands up high, feel the frequency. One sound, one love, one destiny. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, yeah. Different stories, same flame. When the drum talk, we listen close. This is the language we chose. From the motherland to the main stage. Oh, so mixed with a new age. Every heartbeat feel aligned. Africa living in the sound. Light slow, rhythm slow. Let the groove breathe, let it flow. Just you, me, and the beat. Barefoot dancing in the street, yeah. Worldwide, Afrobeat energy. Turn it louder, let the whole world see. No fear, no hate, just unity. Worldwide, Afrobeat energy. Worldwide, Afrobeat energy. From the club straight to the embassy. Every nation moving equally. Worldwide, Afrobeat energy, yeah. Shoot us alright, we still stand drop. Turn it up now. Afrobeat. Sun still high, but the party on. Speakers loud, we don't go home. From the street to the festival stage. Same energy, different page. Drum set up, bass too clean. Whole place jump when the beat come in. From daytime vibes to midnight zone. This sound make the crowd lose control. Hands up high, don't look down. When the drum drop, shake the ground. If you feel it in your chest, that's Afrobeat at its best. Turn up Afrobeat, all the way, all the way. We don't stop till the break of the day. Jump, move, let your body speak. Turn up Afrobeat, feel the heat. Turn up Afrobeat, no delay. From the front row too far away. When the DJ play that beat. Turn up Afrobeat. Hey, 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 hey. Move your waist now. Hey, 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 hey. Lose control now. Hey, 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 hey. Everybody scream. Afrobeat and sweat dripping, lights too bright. Crowd going crazy every night. Different flags, but the vibe the same. One rhythm calling every name. No fear, no holding back. When they kick, drum attack from Miami to UK, right? This sound make the people misbehave. Jump with me, don't think twice. This moment worth the price. If your heart beat double time, you already in the line. Turn up Afrobeat, all the way, all the way. We don't stop till the break of the day. Jump, move, let your body speak. Turn up Afrobeat, feel the heat. Turn up Afrobeat, no delay. From the front row too far away. When the DJ play that beat. Turn up Afrobeat. Move your waist now. Bruce controller. Everybody scream. Afrobeat then heavy Afro drum solo. Call and response in steps. Bass drop plus crowd hype pause. Big festival style rebuild, yeah. From the roots to the future sound. Africa lifting the whole world now. Every culture in the same space. Same sweat dripping from every face. This not music, this a movement. Every jump is a statement. If you hear this, you already know. Afrobeat ready to explode. Slow it down, feel the bounce. Let the bass line move the crowd. Then we bring it back again. Stronger than it's ever been. Turn up Afrobeat. Turn it loud, turn it loud. Feel the fire in the crowd. No limit, no retreat. Turn up Afrobeat, turn up Afrobeat. Worldwide, from Africa to oceans wide. When they're drunk and people meet. Turn up Afrobeat. Yeah. Turn it up.
Shadow still inside. I don't cry, I don't scream. Just let the rhythm say the things I don't say when I'm away. Only you can understand my pain. I still feel you when the bass go low. Every time this Afrobeat roll. Different face, different view, but I still feel you. I still feel you in the sound. When the night slow everything down. Even when I say I'm through, but I still feel you. Oh yeah. Maybe time just moving slow. Or maybe I don't wanna let go. I don't call, I don't chase. Just let the drum replace every word I never said. Every night I almost take, yeah. I still feel when the bass go low. Every time this Afrobeat roll. Different face, different view, but I still feel you. I still feel you in the sound. When the night slow everything down. Even when I say I'm through, I still feel you.
Warm Afrobeat bassline, soft percussion, emotional guitar melody, gentle on synth pad.
Yeah. Africa crying through the drum. Oh, love never really gone. This sound, don't judge, don't lie. You just sit with me tonight. If loving you was my flaw, I accept it, that's my scar. I don't need you to stay. Just needed you one more day.
Heart be louder than the street. Memory dancing with the beat. No future, no rewind. Just you living in my mind.
I still feel you worldwide. Different cities, same inside. When the rhythm pull me through,
I still feel you.
I still feel you